All right, for this trick for today, yesterday you dug out some paper clips, and so you will use one of those paper clips and you'll use a rubber band which you've cut in half, not cut in half, but you've just broken or you've cut to where you no longer have a rubber band circle, but you've got a straight rubber band, something like that. And I will show you what we're gonna do with it. That. All right, pinch the end, and then if you watch carefully, you'll start to notice I'm going to move the rubber band, not the rubber band, I'm moving the paper clip with my mind. Pretty cool, huh? You can even, we'll do this again, you can see that it will actually climb up. Pretty cool, huh? All right, so how do we do this? Now, before I show you with the paper clip, you could also use a ring. If you have a ring, you can use a ring to where you got it clipped there, and you can actually see. Move up with the ring. So you don't, if you didn't have paper clips and you wanted to use something else, rubber band and a ring. All right, so how is this done? It's using the properties of the rubber band. Notice how the rubber band stretches. Now, amazing thing about a rubber band is if it's like this, it looks one way. If I stretch, pretty much, if you haven't seen me stretch it, it looks about the same. That's unstretched, that's stretched. It looks about the same. So you're holding it here, and what you're gonna do is you're gonna hide in this hand a bunch of rubber band. So I'm stretched like this, and I've got the rubber band out like that, and I'm gonna slowly let off the pressure of these fingers, but just enough where you can start to feel the rubber band start to slide through your fingers. And you can see it, you can't see it here, but you can see it as the rubber band in this hand gets shorter. And then you catch it before because if you don't, that happens, and that's not very magical. So you add a paper clip to that. So put the paper clip, and you're using the friction, the quality of the rubber band keeps the paper clip grabs onto it. So you're like this, but when you do this, you want to actually do it like that so people can't see you're hiding this, because again, that kind of gives it away. But if you're holding like this, and then notice that I'm just slowly letting some go, and I let it go until the rubber band actually starts to retract by itself. So because right now I'm holding tension, and I'm gonna let up a little bit on the tension here, and if it starts to slide down, I just move it down like that, because the idea of it is to get it to move. So here, and moving slowly is not bad. Sometimes if you move it too fast, you'll see it jump like that, and that kind of gives it away. So you want to work on doing it slowly, and this is the case where just because a magic trick is easy doesn't mean it doesn't mean you don't have to practice. So here you've got this, and you just slowly holding it like this, and then I think that looks pretty cool. It's pretty magical. So I hope that keeps you busy for a little bit. It's one of my favorite tricks. I love tricks with rubber bands because they're all around, and they've got some great qualities. So there we are. There's my rubber band here. All right.